Baby Bath Washcloths by MUKIN. Muslin Face Towels by MUKIN is one of the best sellers among baby washcloths and washgloves products. 100% organic muslin cotton. Made in USA and imported. Manufacturing upgrade for a new style. Rely upon the MUKIN spinning technology upgrades. We're going to roll the high-density baby washcloths made with 100% organic cotton out for all the sweet mothers. Unlike conventional muslin baby washcloths, this item comes with high density, which could effectively avoid the peeling or out of shape. Eye-catching and elegant colors will make little baby and you to be attractive both when you are indoors and outdoors. Aqua green and sakura pink and light gray. Superior material, organic muslin cotton. MUKIN baby washcloths for bath made from 100% organic muslin cotton, premium quality and safe, ultra suited for baby delicate skin. Each baby muslin washcloth set measures the stretch sizes 12 by 12 inches, and the unique 6-layer honeycomb embossing bubble gauze, enhanced water absorption and moisture retention. Not like the traditional cotton face towels, gauze would never drops fur, great to baby's respiratory tract. Multifunction for daily use. The washcloth set can be used as baby bath washcloths, baby face cloth pack, hand towels, baby wipes, saliva towels and bibs. Adults can use as well. Mommy or other family members can use this set of organic cloths at bath and meal time. A variety of functions to make your life more convenient. Super comfy and adorable toddler muslin washcloths will keep your baby's delicate skin safe from irritations, rashes and bacteria, thanks to the naturally antimicrobial in a great baby shower gift. This bath washcloths does not contain any chemical bleach and fluorescent whitening agent. No formaldehyde. No decolorizer. No heavy metal. No cancer-causing aromatic amines. Therefore, it is safe and comfort whether it is for your own baby or friends. The manufacturer's 3 simple and elegant colors, aqua green and sakura pink and light gray, baby washcloths is the best choice for unisex baby. The manufacturer's baby towel is quite suitable for baby-sensitive skin. Baby registry a shower gift. Set of 6 adorable washcloths, you're worth it. Do you know what a new mother's most essential accessory is? The baby washcloth. And the manufacturer's unisex and super cute set of 6 elegant baby bath cloths is ideal for bath time, cleaning spilt milk or juice, cleaning self-feeding toddlers, drooling or teething infants, and cleaning your baby on the go, since they can be easily slipped in your diaper bag.